As we learn more about the characteristics of the Golden Age in the Empire of China, let's analyze the salary schedules and job descriptions of ancient Chinese government officials to understand the development of a government bureaucracy in classical China. First, let's consider what is a bureaucracy? This Freire model explains the definition of a bureaucracy is a system of government in which most of the important decisions are made by state officials rather than by elected representatives. Some of the characteristics are a state or organization governed or managed as a bureaucracy, and the officials in a bureaucracy are considered a group or hierarchy. Some examples could be the Department of Motor Vehicles or even the Department of Education. Non examples would be small organizations like neighborhood businesses. In a bureaucracy, different officials have different levels of authority and often different salary levels. Often, bureaucrats with more power have less time to devote to the concerns of individual citizens and refer their problems to officials that are lower in rank. As you read through the salary schedules of the officials in the Han Dynasty of China from circa 106 BCE, examine the salary schedule and discuss the following questions. Which positions were most powerful? Which would be less powerful? The Qin and Han dynasties in China developed a bureaucracy designed to govern China's vast territory. They developed levels of government officials to address problems at the local, county, large subdivision in China, province, larger subdivision in China, and national levels. So, which positions were most powerful? Which were less powerful? As you look at the various jobs, compare them to the salary table and think about the following questions. How does this job and the person doing the job relate to the official above his rank? How did this job or the person doing the job relate to the official below his rank? Does this job require supervision from another official somehow? For example, a general needs the okay from a commander in chief or the emperor to wage war. A clerk needs the permission of a county chief to collect taxes, etc. Look through these jobs and consider how they are related to one another. Which ones might you group together? Which ones go below or above someone else? Create an organizational chart. After analyzing the various jobs, you will create an organizational chart of the Chinese government in the Han Dynasty using what you've learned from the job cards and the salary schedule. At the top of the organization chart is the emperor. Next, arrange the jobs where you think the other jobs belong and draw lines that show the relationship between different officials. Remember, think about which jobs possibly go together: military jobs, money and taxation jobs, religious jobs, etc. Think about which jobs belong in a department that is separate from other jobs. Think about how certain jobs in China might be of a similar salary rank but handle different problems. You might want to use a Jamboard with sticky notes to organize the different jobs. The sticky notes will allow you to move the jobs around, change colors, and make any other necessary changes. Consider how a bureaucracy affected ancient China's government, its people, and its golden age. After organizing the various jobs within the Han Chinese government, what are the advantages and disadvantages of a bureaucracy? You might want to think about the advantages as a clear hierarchy, clear policies and procedures, and other things that you can think of. Some of the disadvantages could be that it's very rigid or have inflexible rules. Continue to consider this as you learn about the Chinese government and how it affected its people and its golden age.